I think it's important to remember what it could have been if we'd had a chance to see a Whitney Houston version. I think that would have been an incredible movie. I'm still bummed I'm never going to get to see it. And I think it'd really be cool if Dorothy had lived to see it all, but she didn't. She died in 1967. And I think it's interesting to point, why is Martin Luther King in this picture? People may or may not know that if you buy any of her writing, if you buy the portable Dorothy Parker, you will find that she gave all her money when she died to the Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King. She did not know, of course, that he would die a year later, and all of his estate went to the NAACP. So if you buy any of her writing, you're supporting the NAACP. And that's because even as a young woman at the age of 27, she was reviewing Broadway plays. And she reviewed Emperor Jones. And she had this quote about how the producers in Broadway at that time, because she wasn't involved in Hollywood, they were wasting the genius of the African-American community. Obviously, she's using word of the day, but she recognized the genius that was being lost. So she wanted to support the cause of civil rights, social justice and civil rights. And I think that's pretty cool.